What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5. So in today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on this crypto called Quant, also known as QNT. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is looking at what potential this crypto has over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is it a good investment? Sorry, is it, should you buy it, should you sell it? A lot of questions around this crypto in my DMs right now. The only reason for that is it has gained nearly 8% in value over the last 24 hours, making it nearly $117 per coin. A lot of people on a profit. They're asking me, should I sell it and then buy it again when it drops, or should I just wait for it to go back up in value? And others are asking me, should I get into it right now or should I wait for a dip? So I'm going to give you guys my take on it, my prediction, and I'm also invested into Quant, but not too heavily invested, and I'm still holding it at the moment. I haven't sold it, I haven't bought more, but I'll go through that later on in the video as well. So the market today is just about 1% up, nothing major. We've seen quite a major dip over the last 3 to 4 days on the crypto market, with Bitcoin going all the way down to about $37,000 from 45k about a week and a half ago. So before I get into anything, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So Quant is indeed one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it was in the top gainers list, and most of the gain came from earlier this morning, very early this morning, where it peaked all the way up to about $129, and right now it's starting to come back down in value. And over the week it is down 2%, and over the month it is down 6%, meaning it still hasn't recovered fully yet from all its dips that's taken place in January. You can see it did recover around earlier on in February, let's say about 2 weeks ago, where it hit 161, which was quite good. However, it decided to drop back down in value and go all the way down to about $105 yesterday. So we got the market cap here of $1.4 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours itself, $100.2 million, and we've got the trading activity of a massive 64% buy, meaning a lot of people are investing into it right now, buying it, stacking it up. Even though it is going up in value, more and more people are investing into it. And we've got a 36% sell, so minority of the people are selling the crypto off, hopefully on a profit, taking out their profits and maybe reinvesting when it drops back down in value, which it already has started to do, to drop back down. Even in the last hour, we can see it has dropped 3%, so it has already started to come back down in value. Going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 126% in the last 24 hours, meaning more traders, more investors, and more sellers as well on Quant, as it's getting a lot of hype, a lot more attention. It is in the top gainers list, meaning more and more people will be researching about it, and some will also be investing into this crypto as well. So before I give you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto, what I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are for Quant in 2022. What is the highest figure it can hit? So if we look at the weekly chart, we can see the highest that it has ever been to was $426, and this was all the way back last year, September last year. So about 5 months ago approximately, it did hit a new all-time high and had a major drop ever since. So can it hit a new all-time high this year? Will it go for a bull run later on this year? Bearing in mind we've got a solid 10 months left for the end of the year. So comment down below. I want to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So one more thing before I get into the technical analysis and price prediction, I just want to let you guys know that 86.5% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel, which is quite disappointing, guys, meaning a lot of you guys are watching my videos, but for some reason you're not hitting the subscribe button. So please, guys, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And also, guys, for this giveaway, I thought, let me choose 3 winners instead of just one. Let me give you guys, each and every single one of you, a higher chance of winning. So yeah, make sure to take part by subscribing and following me on Instagram. So I'm going to get the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how Quant has been performing. And we also got this SMA indicator running across the chart, which shows us the average value of Quant, which is currently sitting at $129.27. However, Quant is trading at a slightly lower value at 117.64, meaning it's underperforming and not performing too well. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, over the next couple of hours, do expect it to slightly drop in value. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning more decreases in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a slightly lower value than $117. However, guys, do expect it to go back up in value. Yes, I've always said this in my videos, whenever you see a huge increase in value in a short amount of time, just like this one here, it has to come back down in value, which is exactly what's happening right now. However, in my predictions, do expect it to slightly go back up in value, hopefully around the $123 to $125 mark, let's say around this evening to late night, and then probably dropping back down in value early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? We've still got the blue line looking looking bearish, going towards a negative trend, looking quite down. However, the orange line was going in a bullish direction, but we can clearly see it has come to an end. It's starting to fluctuate out and will be heading towards a negative direction, meaning both lines are heading towards the bearish side, looking quite negative, meaning decreases in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, we should expect a slightly lower value than $118. But again, guys, just because I'm expecting it to go down in value, it doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. That's not what I mean. Of course, you're going to see peaks in between. Of course, you're going to see dips. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side towards the end of this week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days, what can we next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We are still not looking too great. We've got the blue line slightly looking bullish for once, so it is slightly going towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is still looking bearish, going towards a negative trend. So overall, a mixture of ups and downs is expected over the coming weeks. However, we are looking slightly on the negative side. By mid-March to late March, we should again expect it to slightly drop in value, probably below the $100 mark by mid-March. However, these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that could have a potential effect either in a positive way or negative way on Quant. So either way, I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto with my predictions and my takes with the most accurate information. But yeah, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because there's some vital information coming, with obviously a Bitcoin breaking the resistance point of $40,000, dropping down to 37. So will it drop below 35? If it does drop below the $35,000 mark, guys, we could see some major drops on the whole crypto market. But anyway, I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis with different cryptos every single day, at least 3 to 4 predictions. And again, if you guys have a crypto that you guys want me to focus on that I haven't covered on this channel yet, just message me on Instagram or comment down below and I'll try and make that happen for you guys. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys, and especially the old subscribers and the new subscribers. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back. That is the motive on this channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.